Microsoft logo. Student will be able to draw different figures like triangle, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon or circle using repeat command. Use repeat command. Write text on the screen using print command. Use print command to write text on the screen in different ways. Solve mathematical problems in logo. Use print command for numbers. Write procedures in logo. Repeat command. When actions are to be repeated while drawing pictures, repeat primitive can be used to avoid repetitive work. Repeat command will repeat the set of commands for the given number of times. The commands to draw a square are FD60, RT90, FD60, RT90, FD60, RT90, FD60, RT90. Square is drawn by repeating the actions. You can see that FD60 and RT90 are being repeated 4 times. To avoid typing the same commands 4 times, we can use repeat commands as repeat 4, FD60, RT90. This command will repeat the set of commands given 4 times. Repeat number set of commands. The set of commands should always be enclosed within the square brackets. By using the repeat command, you can draw different figures by giving the number of sides of that figure. Depending on the number of sides of each figure, RT command will be followed by 360 by number of sides, which gives the degree of angle that the turtle should turn. To draw a triangle, repeat 3, FD50, RT360 by 3. Repeat 5, FD50, RT360 by 5. Repeat 6, FD50, RT360 by 6. Repeat 8, FD50, RT360 by 8. Using this concept, circles can also be drawn. For example, repeat 360, FD1, RT1. Similarly, rotating less than 360 degrees can also draw arcs or semicircles. For example, repeat 180, FD1, RT1. Repeat command can also be used as part of the set of commands to be repeated. For example, repeat 3, repeat 4, FD40, RT90, PU, FD60, PD. This command will draw 3 squares placed 20 steps away from each other. While using nested repeats, square brackets should be used carefully. It is important to close the square brackets for each repeat command found inside the main repeat. Make sure you close the main square bracket. For required result, mistakes are to be avoided. Procedure. Procedure is number of steps to be followed for performing an action. Procedure can be created in Logo applying certain methods. First method. Procedure is created by using the editor. The procedure contains procedure title, set of commands, end. Procedure title is the name given to the procedure. Procedure title is defined using to command. Set of commands contains the primitives of Logo. End of the procedure is defined using end command. Let us now create a procedure to draw a square.
Step 1. Type edit square. Step 2. Type the procedure. Step 3. Click on File and select Save and Exit.
Let us use the procedure square. Second method.
Step 1. Click on Input box. Step 2. Type to rectangle and press Enter. Step 3. Enter Logo commands in the To mode box. Step 4. When all the commands are over, click on Cancel to end.
A rectangle defined is the message given by the Logo that a procedure named a rectangle is defined. Let us use the procedure rectangle. Print command. Print command is used to write in the text area of the screen. It is expressed as print quotation marks text. We can write only one word at a time using this command. Example of print command. Print quotation marks hello. Print I am Tony. Quotation marks should always be given, otherwise Logo does not understand what it needs to do.
After the quotation mark, if you give more than one word, Logo prints only the first word and does not do anything with the other two but gives an error message.
Print word command. To print more than one word, the print word command is used. Print word quotation marks word 1 quotation marks word 2. Word 1 and word 2 are the words that you want to print. To print more than two words, brackets are to be used. Like print word quotation marks word 1 quotation marks word 2 quotation marks word 3 and so on. You can see that there is no space between the words. Print first command. Print first quotation marks word 1. Prints the first letter of the word given. Print first square bracket word 1 word 2 word 3 square bracket and so on. Prints the first word from the list of words given. This command prints first letter or word from the text given with the command. Print last command. Print last quotation marks word 1 prints the last letter of the word given. Print last square bracket word 1 word 2 word 3 square bracket and so on. Prints the last word from the list of words given.
This command prints last letter or word from the text given with the command.
Print sentence command. To print the text as a sentence, following command is used. Print sentence, quotation marks, word 1, quotation marks, word 2. For more than 2 words, print sentence, quotation marks, word 1, quotation marks, word 2, quotation marks, word 3, and so on. Calculations in Logo. The print command is used in Logo to do mathematical calculations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can be easily done using mathematical operators. Using print command in calculations. After typing print command, give 1 space and then type the numbers with the correct operator. All the arithmetic operators take 2 inputs. The following examples show the use of different operators with print command. Print 8 plus 6, 14. Print 25 minus 7, 18. Print 10 plus 12 minus 8, 14. Print 9 into 5, 45. Print 18 by 3, 6. Print sum. The sum function is used with the print command in the following manner. After typing the print command, leave 1 space. Type sum followed by 2 numbers. There should be 1 space between 2 numbers. To add more than 2 numbers, the operator sum is used between round brackets along with the numbers. Keywords: repeat, print, procedure.